In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if a website is legit or a scam. One of the simplest ways to judge whether a website might be legitimate is by checking its connection type in the address bar. Websites that use HTTPS are generally more secure than those using HTTP because HTTPS encrypts the data exchanged between your browser and the website. However, it's important to remember that HTTPS alone does not guarantee that a website is safe. Some fraudulent websites also use HTTPS to appear trustworthy. This is why you should always verify the website using other methods. First, open any website and look at the left side of the website's URL in your browser's address bar. You will see a site information icon or a padlock symbol. Click on it. If the connection is secure, it will usually display a padlock icon, which means the website is using encryption to protect your data. For further inspection, click on the option that says Connection is secure. If the website has a valid security certificate, you will see a message stating that the certificate is valid. This is one of the first signs that the website may be legitimate. Next, carefully examine the website's URL. Scammers often create fake websites by slightly changing the domain name of a trusted company. For example, instead of google.com, a fake site might use g00google.com, or instead of amazon.com, a scam site might use something like am4zon.com. These small changes are easy to miss, but are a major red flag. Another important step is to use an online website scanner. There are several free tools available that can check a website for malware, phishing attempts, and other security risks. Simply copy and paste the website link into one of these scanners, and it will analyze the site for any potential threats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.